Score.
China Gonzalez.
9-2, okay, sige. Okay. Pasok lang siya, ha?
Ayun dati.
Okay!
Over. Point for FEU. The score is 10-2.
Champion tayo, mga boys. Champion tayo, mga boys. FEU!
Let's serve. Over. Point for FEU.
FEU!
11-2. FEU is now leading.
FEU!
China Gonzalez to serve. Nice one. Inside. Point for DLSUD. The score is 3-11. FEU is now leading. Sachel Senupe to serve. Okay, over. Point for FEU Camera. The score is 12-3. Switchboard. De La Peña to serve.
Oh, 12-3. Tatlo na lang kanyo.
The score is 12-3. FEU is now leading.
FEU! Tatlo na lang.
Point for FEU. The score is 3-13.
FEU!
De La Peña to serve.
Pasok lang.
FEU is now leading.
FEU!
Big five coming from is Jennifer Manzano. The score is 4-13. Manzano to serve.
Habol yan.
Outside point for FEU. The score is 4-14.
Last one!
Gonzalez to serve. Last one for FEU.
Isa na lang, Yusay. Yay! Balik! Agad! Palo, Say!
Inside point for DLSUD. The score is 5-14. So Chelsea Nupa to
FEU!
serve.
Last na lang eh.
Inside point for DLSUD. The score is 6-14.
Isa na lang kanyo.
Switchboard.
Scored.
You are now witnessing the championship game of 8-foot tall ladies beach volleyball tournament, third day.
Shy! Isa na
Chelsea
lang!
Nupa to serve.
Isa na lang! Bango na, Shy! Go, Shy! Humba, Shy!
Outside! Time for DLSUD. The score is 7. Sa Chelsea Nupa to serve.
Nani-interview!
Last one for FEU.
FEU! Ayan o, sabi ni Congressman o. Congressman, FEU din.
For Eastern University, the champion is FEU. Congratulations!
Okay, at yan po na paukan ng ating tournament for this third leg of the Sagran Ladies Beach Volleyball Tournament. We will now proceed to the awarding.
Congrats! Congrats! Galing!